I understand that deep frustration when you look in the mirror, wanting only a smooth canvas, but instead facing a reminder of battles your skin has fought. But what if I told you that the cakey effect from your makeup is actually a distress signal from your skin at a microscopic level, revealing a breakdown in your cellular scaffolding? To truly understand the scar, we must first understand the hormonal whisper that created the blemish. During certain points in your cycle or during perimenopause, androgen hormones can surge. This signals your sebaceous glands to produce excess oil, creating a perfect environment for inflammation. As the Mayo Clinic's research clarifies, this isn't a failure of hygiene. It's a complex biological event orchestrated deep within your body. This hormonal trigger ignites what we call an inflammatory cascade. Imagine a microscopic battle. Your immune cells rush to the site, but in their zealousness, they release enzymes that can degrade the collagen and elastin that give your skin its structure. When this support matrix is damaged and not rebuilt perfectly, a depression or scar is formed. It's a scar born from internal fire. Now we see why makeup appears cakey. It's not the product, but the canvas. The uneven texture of the scar tissue, with its microscopic peaks and valleys, prevents a smooth application. The skin in and around the scar is often dehydrated and has a different cellular structure, causing makeup to cling to dry patches and settle into depressions. Simply applying more product only amplifies the very texture you're trying to conceal. The grand resolution begins not in your makeup bag, but on your plate. This is about rebuilding your skin's foundation from within. First, you must incorporate zinc-rich foods. Aim for 2 to 3 servings of pumpkin seeds or lentils per week. Zinc is not just a mineral, it's a critical cofactor for the enzymes responsible for synthesizing new collagen and healing wounds. It also helps regulate the very oil production that starts the cycle. Second, embrace anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids. This means consuming 2 servings of fatty fish like salmon or mackerel weekly. For plant-based diets, a tablespoon of ground flaxseed daily is excellent. Omega-3s are incorporated into your cell membranes, making them more fluid and resilient, calming the inflammatory fire from the inside. Finally, and this is crucial, you must manage your blood sugar. Swap high glycemic foods like white bread and sugary pastries for complex carbohydrates like quinoa and sweet potatoes. Spikes in blood sugar lead to spikes in insulin, which can increase androgen activity and fuel inflammation. This isn't a diet, it's a long-term strategy for cellular regeneration. With the internal architecture fortified, we can now address the external canvas with precision. The first step is to accelerate cellular turnover to smooth the skin's surface. An ingredient like a gentle encapsulated retinoid, used 2 to 3 nights a week, encourages the shedding of old disorganized cells and promotes the growth of new healthy ones. The encapsulation minimizes irritation. Second, your skin preparation is paramount. Before any makeup, apply a hydrating serum containing multimolecular weight hyaluronic acid. This plumps the skin from different depths, temporarily filling in the shallow parts of scars. Follow this with a silicone-based primer. This doesn't clog pores, it creates an invisible, micro-fine film over the skin, effectively spackling the uneven texture to create a truly smooth surface for makeup. Finally, the application itself. Use a damp blending sponge. Dispense a hydrating serum-like foundation onto the back of your hand, pick up a tiny amount and press or stipple it into the skin. Do not wipe. This deposits a thin, even layer without disturbing the primer. For any deep, persistent scars, use a fine-tipped artist's brush to place a tiny dot of a thicker, high-coverage concealer directly into the depression, then gently tap the edges to blend. This is a targeted, architectural approach to creating a flawless illusion while your skin truly heals underneath.